Sardegna, we finally made it. I'm trying to leave the airport. We've rented this nice SUV, a Cupra SUV Turbo, which is a nice car that will drive us throughout Sardinia. And now we are heading to Cala Sinzias, a nice place to stay, eat, and dive. So let's go! I really love this song. What a nice song for this place. Parking lots over there, and we are a little bit far from the water, but from here look at the color of the water. Man, what a nice color. Wow, that color is beautiful. The most exciting moment, let's do it. Look at the color of the water. Let's dive in there and see what this has to offer to us. Yeah, so after diving a lot, we are hungry, and here's Lido Tamatete, the restaurant where we're gonna go. I have searched a lot before visiting this place, and expectations are so high. And look how beautiful this place is, guys. The sand is very smooth. Here we have lots of what they call lecchini and ombrelones. And look what beautiful sightseeing we have here with those flags just waving in the wind. We have Lido Tamatete flag, and we have a Sardinia flag in there as well. It's a very beautiful flag in my opinion, in reality. And here is the inside view of Lido Tamatete, right in front of the beach. And the place is not that crowded. After all, this is not a very cheap place. It's not that expensive, but not that cheap as well, you know. You have to have some euros to go in there. But nothing that you cannot afford, of course. After all, it's a trip, it's a vacation, so we all deserve after a very hard working year, isn't it? And here's my plate: prosciutto with cheese and olive. My wife went with angus and roast potato and menta. And my daughter went with some fish with smashed potato and roast potato as well. All of those plates were good, but I would recommend you guys to go with the prosciutto that I got, which is called Terra Tama, Salumi e Formaggi del Territorio. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed. This is a very well recommended place for you guys to go with your kids, with your daughter, with your family, and even with your friends. And I guarantee that you guys will have a very nice time in there, spending some time in Cala Sinzias and Lido Tamatete. See you in the next episode of our 4-day journey in Sardegna. Ciao!